Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Soil and Greenhouses, and today we're talking about garden mums. So some of the suggestions that we have for you when you're out there looking for garden mums is, first thing is time of the year. So don't jump the gun when you're out buying your garden mums, because if it's late summer, the mums will bloom out and you won't have that color for fall when you actually want to start decorating and have that fall color. So don't jump the gun. A lot of big box retailers, a lot of the grocery stores, they bring out their garden mums right away, and it's still summer and it's just too warm. So the first thing that we want you to do is slow down, wait on time. And for us up in the upper Midwest part of the country, that's maybe mid-September, where that's really the best time to go ahead and get those garden mums, and then you can put them out and they'll last for those several weeks and into that fall time when you can actually enjoy them. So the second thing I want to hit on is watering. Mums drink a lot of water, and so you really do want to watch your watering. They will wilt down. They're real fussy. They'll be real dramatic if you don't water them, but you probably will be watering them every day. Go ahead and check them, but they go through a lot of water, so check your watering. And the third thing I want to talk about is fertilizing. Mums are heavy feeders, so you'll probably have to feed twice a week. Normally we tell you to feed once a week, that fertilizer Friday, but it's probably going to be twice a week. So probably Monday and Friday are going to be your fertilizing days, and they really do like their feed, and you'll notice it. You want the leaves to be that nice green, dark green, and you know that the flowers and the stems are getting the nutrients. So, and look for the hardy garden mums. Those are the perennial type. A lot of the big box retailers, you'll go for those mums that are real cheap. Those are not perennials. You actually want to go to like a florist or a greenhouse where they have the hardy garden mums, and those are going to be the perennials that you can go ahead and plant for them to come up next year. And we do have a video on how to, once the plants are done, how you can get them into your ground and properly plant them. So hope those tips help when you're out checking out your hardy garden mums. Thanks for watching.